Hey there, fellow internet addicts. Remember when that was the soundtrack of our online lives? Well, buckle up, because we're about to take a wild ride through the invisible tubes of the internet. Ever wonder how that cat meme travels from a server in Silicon Valley to your phone while you're sitting on the toilet? Or how your embarrassing search history magically appears on every device you own? Today, we're diving into the Matrix, folks. We're going to unravel the mystery of how you're watching this video right now. Spoiler alert. It's not magic, but it's pretty close. So grab your virtual hard hats and follow me as we explore the complex network that powers our digital world. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be the go-to guru for all your friends' internet mysteries. Let's untangle the World Wide Web together. Are you ready to get your mind blown? Let's go! First off, what exactly is the internet? Simply put, it's a global network of interconnected computers. Imagine it as a massive digital highway system, but instead of cars, we have data zooming around. At its core, the internet is built on a few key components: devices. These are the gadgets we use every day: smartphones, laptops, tablets, and even smart fridges. They're like the starting and ending points on our data highway. Routers. Think of these as traffic controllers. They direct data packets to their correct destinations, ensuring your cat video doesn't end up in someone else's email. Servers. These powerful computers store and process data. They're like giant libraries, holding websites, videos, and all sorts of information. ISPs, Internet Service Providers. Companies like Comcast or Verizon that provide your internet connection. They're the construction crews that built and maintain our data highway. Now let's see how these pieces work together when you type a website address into your browser. First, your device translates the human-readable web address into an IP address using DNS, Domain Name Systems, servers. Then, your device sends a request packet containing this IP address through your home router, which acts as a gateway to the wider internet. The router, identifying that the request is for an external resource, forwards this request to your ISP's network. Your ISP's network, consisting of numerous routers and switches, determines the most efficient path and sends the request across the internet to the appropriate server hosting the website. Upon receiving the request, the server processes it, retrieves the necessary website data, like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files, and sends this data back through the internet. Finally, this data travels back through your ISP's network, to your home router, and ultimately to your device, where your browser interprets and displays the website. All of this happens in a fraction of a second. Pretty impressive, right? But wait, there's more. The internet doesn't just rely on one path. It's designed to be resilient. If one route is offline or slow, data can take alternative paths to reach its destination. This is why the internet can still function, even if parts of it go down. Now, let's talk about the language of the internet protocols. These are sets of rules that govern how data is transmitted. The most famous is probably TCP/IP, which stands for Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. It's like the grammar and vocabulary of our digital communication. Another crucial concept is IP addresses. Every device connected to the internet has a unique IP address, like a digital home address. When you send data, it's labeled with the IP address of its destination. But remembering IP addresses would be a pain, right? That's where the Domain Name System, DNS, comes in. It's like a phone book for the internet, translating human-friendly website names into IP addresses. So, the next time you're streaming your favorite show or video chatting with friends, remember the incredible journey your data is taking. From your device, through routers and servers, across countries and even under oceans via fiber optic cables, the internet is a marvel of modern engineering. The next time someone asks you how the internet works, you can confidently say, "Oh, it's just a series of tubes." Then watch their confused faces as you drop knowledge bombs about IP addresses, packets, and routers. You're basically a cyber superhero now. Remember, every time you send an email, post a selfie, or binge watch your favorite show, you're part of this amazing global network. So the next time your internet is slow, instead of yelling at your router, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey your data is making. It's probably just stuck in traffic somewhere under the Atlantic Ocean. Until next time, keep surfing the web, and remember, you're not addicted to the internet. You're just really committed to being a node in the global network. Stay connected, my friends.